welcome. In this video I'll show you how to obtain the Fullbringer moves in Type Zone Roblox. Seeing a Fullbringer in action, dashing through enemies with elemental power looks awesome, but it's not something you stumble into. Unlocking the Fullbring takes real effort and a tough trial. So, to unlock the Fullbring, you would need to reach grade 2 by grinding missions through the faction mission board. No shortcuts here. Once you're grade 2, head to fake Karakura town and talk to Elec Ginjo. Okay? Again, talk to Elec Ginjo. If you can't find them, press the comma key to show points of interest on your map. After speaking with them, fill your progress bar by either grouping enemies or meditating. Once full, meditate again to enter your inner world and start the Fullbring trial. In the trial, you'll fight 4 waves of enhanced hollows. In the first trial, you'll see 3 fiskers plus 1 fishbone. In the second one, 3 fishbones plus 1 menos. Third one is 3 fishbones, and the last one is 1 ajucha. You're on a timer and dying is easy if you're reckless. Use range skills like Keto to stay safe, especially the later waves. Now your Fullbringing weapon and its element decide your move set. Weapons include things like Zangetsu, Devil's Arm, Book of the End, and more, each with unique abilities. You got 3 moves themed around your weapon, and the element, which you can reroll, tweaks how those moves behaves. And that is it. Again, getting Fullbring isn't random, it's a challenge, but if you put the work, survive the trial, and find the right weapon or element combo, you'll have a powerful edge in both PvP and PvE fights. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.